YouTube, what's going on? It's been a minute. Yo, Cocaine Whitney. I'm gonna start back posting on this channel. I'm gonna resurrect this channel starting today. I've been busy, with a lot of stuff. I'll update you guys later. But today I am meeting up with a guy to finish my audio system. So I heard my system play one time back in 2022. And I got a killer system, so I met Buddy at the gas station. He come through with the Tahoe going crazy. I said, bro, who hooked it up? He said, me. So he about to pull up and give me an estimate on buttoning my system up. So let's crank this thing up, y'all.
On the Monster TV. Valentine game. LS want the world cred. Big old what it do, cuz let's ride. Mountain Monster on the screen, but we build it, we don't buy it. Box Chevy at the light, Cam chopping, don't you try it. 26s, 28s, yeah, we lift it, then we slide it. Mountain Monster TV. Taking off, now watch me fly it.
So when I was at this shop, somebody stole all my trim. And I got all of them back except for this one. So I'm gonna need to be buying one of these. So yeah, guys, this is it. It's Cocaine Whitney. Paint job was alright, just not to my liking. Y'all see that blue pearl? So I'm sending it back to the paint shop over the winter time. It's actually a YouTuber. I'm not gonna say who it is right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and let him get me the paint job I wanted. Cause look at this. Their prep work was trash. Look at that. They ain't even prepped my filler right. Look at that. But this was painted back in 2020. It's the only screw up I did right here. Damn jack in the trunk. You know what I'm saying? Swung it a little bit too hard, enjoying that LS motor. And then boom! Gave myself an Audi. So, but yeah, that's about it. And for those who are new to the channel, if y'all ain't know, this top and sunroof is done by Sunroof Guru. You know what I'm saying? Go check him out. He the best in the business, in my opinion, from what I've seen. You know what I mean? And to get you in and out. This was done back in 2020. So y'all see, you know what I'm saying? Everything's still A1. It's a little dusty, but it's all there. Built back in 2019. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get that Jeep upgrade too on that steering shaft. I replaced that gearbox, power steering gearbox. I'm gonna tell you a little story about that in a little bit. I went through hell with that. Well, yeah, it's a little 5.3 that could. Oh yeah. There you go.
All right, my name's Tony, audio guy. Been 20 plus years. My system, what I've got in mind right now, I've got a 15-inch Sundown ZV6 15. It's powered by Tar Amps base Smart 3K at the moment on lithium with roughly 14.5 volts holding. I'm running stock alternator, stock electric. Well, not stock electrical. Everything else is up, but stock alternator. I got DS18s in the doors. I got a Scar Audio RP1000 on those. They're 350 RMS. Tweeters throughout the car. So it looks like trash, man. I've been working out of here, but
Man, that's a beautiful box, man.
yeah,
Damn.
this from Gately Audio. Gately Audio makes the best, hands down, the best subwoofer boxes on the market.
Wow.
That's birch, stained birch with the.
Beautiful.
It's nice. Got a. I don't know what the amp hours are on that lithium, but it's capable of 26,000 watts from itty bitty boom. I got two.
It's a 12 volt.
No, yeah, it's a 12 volt charging system. You can charge up to 15, but it'll hold on the stock alternator, stock electrical. I mean, as far as isolators and stuff, I got all my upgrades, Big 4. I got the 2-watt welding leads. So this battery will keep up on the 12 volt system. It runs the entire car.
Nice.
As well as the audio, and I've got about 5,000 watts RMS coming out of it. And at full tilt, it doesn't drop maybe 2 points of a volt.
Sweet.
Got you. That's American base. That's a good box, a nice box. I like the box.
Appreciate it.
Right on. What you got here? 2-watt?
One.
Yeah. It looks good. You got a lot of power coming out of here, bro. I would definitely do lithium and lug everything up. All these wires that are in your distribution blocks, every wire that comes in, well, except for your speaker wire, but this here ain't. That's not going to cut it. We're gonna have to do better than that. I want to do 1-aught welding wire with lugs and connectors, adapters to everything. I want 1-aught to your amp from your second battery. I want to put a second battery or a lithium in here.
I got one.
Okay, if you got a lithium, we want to do at least 1-aught, 2-aught, ideally, straight to your amps with lugs. So they have adapters that you can put a 1-aught in that will slide right into your amps, into your amps inserts because they're small. So
right.
But you want as much power straight to your amp as possible.
For sure.
For sure. Yeah, we can upgrade this, man. It's not bad. I bet it sounds good too. It's on the beat.
It does.
Got your Stetson digital processor, little tar amps for
the tweeters and stuff.
Yeah, for sure. Tar amps is good. These Italian boards that they are Brazilian. They're Brazilian boards. I'm sorry, not Italian. But the Brazilian boards they put out a lot of power, man. So that 3K I've got is rated at 3,000 watts, but at 14.5 it puts out 3,900 RMS.
Nice.
So you're getting closer to 4. You're getting closer to 9 out of here at 1 ohm.
Somebody on the 8K.
Yeah, if you go to half ohm, you're gonna get over 9.
Yeah, these are 2 ohms.
Okay, so you're gonna be a half ohm. Yep. Right on. You can run half ohm. It's half ohm. These are half ohm stable, so you're good on that. It's just they suck a lot of tar amps are really power hungry.
Yeah, they are.
They like to pull amperage and
I've heard they break when they don't get enough power.
Nah, you can damage an amp. They say like that. I've never seen an amp really get hurt off of it, but it ain't gonna put out what you want it to, for sure.
Yep. And back here I got 4 DS18s, 6.5s.
Nice.
And
are they the red ones with the bullet? That's what I've got. They're 250 RMS, I believe.
Yep. And I want to put 2 more in the center console.
Gotcha.
Because it's designed for 2 6.5s right there, but I don't have any in there.
Perfect.
So I want to put 2 more in there. And up front, I forgot what I got up front.
Probably 3.5.
So bro getting his measurements right now and, jotting his notes down and making the parts list and all that stuff. And once he get everything together, he gonna give me an estimate. So yep, about time, man. Beat the block down. You feel me? Yes, sir.
Distribution blocks. So we'll do your 2-aught grounding your lead from the front or from your battery to your system. Then we'll do distribution blocks, 2 of them, from 2-aught to your 1-aught, and we'll run 1-aught to your tar amps for your power for the HD 3000 and the ground for that, and we'll do 2-aught from your battery to your tar amps 8, because it requires 2-aught minimum, and we'll do lugs on everything. Everything will be straight. Adapters. We'll probably have to. I'm gonna be honest, man. Doing this right here like this, I'm gonna have to do some more research and look and try to come up with a better number for you. But we'll get a list together. We'll rearrange this so we can put your fuses in there. We're gonna need a 600 amp fuse for your 8 or 6 or 7. We'll look and see what they've got. A 6 to 8, 600 amp fuse box for your 8K. Probably a 400 for your 3, 400 amp fuse for your 3K. I'm even gonna do like a 200 amp on your 400, bro, because I like to fuse everything. And we'll do another, I'd say 600 to be good for your battery fuse box for your lithium. So we'll do a fuse between your alternator and your lithium. We'll do a fuse after your lithium to your 8K. We'll do a fuse after your lithium to your 3K. I'm even gonna do a fuse on your little 400 because fuses are good, man. You don't want to not use them.
Extra protection, right?
Yes, sir. My homeboys had a nice custom car down in Texas and wired this stuff up. They called it Dr. Pepper. It was a Caprice station wagon with some rims on it. It was Dr. Pepper color. It caught on fire, bro. I hate to laugh about it, but he was laughing about it when I pulled up on him on the corner. His car was sitting there burning. I was like, "What happened, man?"
Damn.
He couldn't save it, bro. He was just sitting there shaking his head and watched his car burn down. It was a bad deal. But
yeah, we don't need old Whitney on fire.
No, sir. She's too pretty. It's a good looking car, man. Good job on this build.
Appreciate it, man.
I can't wait to get you tuned up so you're gonna be grinning ear to ear with this one.
For Showski.
Nice. Yeah. Oh, and this one here.
Hey, bro. Question, bro. How did the installer do on this job right here? First, we're gonna rate it first. 1 out of 10.
No, a 0.5.
0.5. Damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if you know audio, you know shit like this right here. For 9,000 watts coming out of a tar amp to your speakers. Come on, man. That's a fire waiting to happen, straight up. And you're losing all your power. That's crazy. And then you got this. I don't know, man. I've done better when I was a kid, but I ain't gonna talk too much bad, but it's bad. We're gonna have to do a lot to get this up to par, to get it right. He did good with the wire.
Would you hook your homies up like this?
If I didn't like them. But I don't got no homies I don't like, so.
Exactly. Man, you heard it, folks. Yo. Tony about to pull off. You know what I'm saying? So he took his measurements, wrote down his parts list and things like that for the audio system. And he gonna put a number together for me, let me know, what it's gonna require to get it right. And yeah. So Cocaine Whitney about to be beating on the block, y'all. You know what I mean? There you go. Man, set my alarm off, bro. Man, set my alarm off with that thing, man. Yamming. Man, his voice is clear, very clear, and that's what I like, man. That's why I bought the speakers I bought, you know what I'm saying? Clear. It ain't all about bass. You know what I'm saying? I'm from Jamaica. We like clarity. You know what I'm saying? We like to hear every word. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, that's it, guys, for this video. Try to get the audio right in Cocaine Whitney. You feel me? But on to the next video. We got some more videos coming up too, man. And if y'all new to the channel, my name is Big O or Prophet O, whatever they want to call me. And I'm all about them Chevys, man, and you know, getting them together. Just picked up this thing right here. It's bourbon. You know what I'm saying? We sold the Escalade, got the bourbon. So yeah. You want to see car bills, you know, repairs and upgrades and stuff like that. So this is my 89 box Chevy, it's LS swap. And I got a 84 Chevy C10 pickup. Big O from Mighty Monster TV. We out.
Big O, what it do, cuz, let's ride. Mountain monster on the screen, but we build it, we don't buy it. Box Chevy at the light, Cam chopping, don't you try it. 26s, 28s, yeah, we lift it, then we slide it. Mountain monster TV, taking off, now watch me fly it.